This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes using 3 eggs. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Sift these together into a large bowl. This step ensures your batter is smooth and lump-free, which is key for light, fluffy pancakes. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, 1¼ cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure these are at room temperature for the best results. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. This careful combination helps create a uniform batter without overmixing. Now it's time to combine everything. Stir the wet and dry ingredients together until they are just moistened. It's perfectly fine and even desirable to have a few small lumps in your batter. Don't overmix. Once combined, let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax and the baking powder to activate, leading to a lighter texture. Finally, let's cook these amazing pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbly. Serve your fluffy pancakes immediately with your favorite toppings, like syrup or fresh fruit. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.